So guys, I'm on a sell trade on volatility 100 index. I just got into the trade now. This signal was shared and we are moving in profit already. So what gave me this sell view on this index? More sales is expected basically. More sales expected on volatility 100 index. Right, this is my target level on this index. So what's my view? What gave me this sell idea and sell buyers on this index? So I went to the daily time frame firstly and saw that this index gave the last 2 days, like the 2 days ago, right? We had this strong bullish move on this index. You can see it clearly here. This bullish engulfing candle that formed here on volatility holding index. So we got this candle that flowed up. By right, you are supposed to get another bullish candle to continue this bullish run, but the market failed to give us a bullish continuation, but instead formed a bearish candlestick formation here. And this candlestick is a reversal pattern formation candlestick we got on the daily time frame. So I knew that the next day is likely to be a bearish day on this index, and we have a level as well which this market is reacting on this level of resistance. You can see the market reaction on this level previously as a support, resistance. It was a break, retest here, resistance, support here for price sold to the downside. Now price came back to test this identified zone, and the sell is expected from this level to the downside, right? The sell is expected from this current price level to the downside, and I'm looking out for this zone. We have a level here, we have a zone here which price could potentially come to on this index, and the overall market direction is bullish as well, regardless of having the rejections on that level. This index is bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows heading to the upside, right? So I didn't overlook this market formation as well, but I was expecting the sells still on this index. And we have our trend resistance here, because on trend lines we have our trend support and trend resistance. So we can see how price has been selling on the approach of this trend resistance. Let's identify the market reactions. We got the first sell here as a resistance, the second sell at this zone as a resistance, the third sell here as a resistance, and the fourth sell which we are likely to get as well as a resistance. So we can see how price has sold on the approach of this level the first time, the second and the third time, and there's still a possibility of price selling from this same level the fourth time, which market is expected to get to this zone. And we've only gotten 2 buys on our trend support. We have to get the third buy for this index to complete this bullish phase, right? We've gotten the first buys already here. First buy as a support, the second buy is as a support, so the third buy is expected. And for us to get the third buys on this level, on this index, we have to see price sell to the downside to this zone. So that's my view. That's what gave me this sell buyers on this index. Identified the market structure, spotted the levels, the key levels this index is currently on, right, and the market's direction as well. So the sell is expected from this zone to the downside. So on the approach of our trend resistance, we got price form a reversal pattern formation, a double top formation. So we got the first highs here, got the first highs at this zone, then we got the second highs at this point. So we can see that we are already getting this sell to the downside, and we are getting this little retracement, which is normal in the financial market. We get price retrace, or buy retrace, like give the move retracement, little retracement, the continuation, stuff like that. So the sales is still expected. And on the second highs we got, remember this is a double top formation, the second highs we got was a lower high, which is a bearish formation. The level we are getting price struggle with is this identified level, this lows that was formed here, which is very much understandable. So we have to expect price to break below these lows. If price can break below these lows, clearly you have to see the long buys, the long sells on this index, right? My stop loss is at this zone, and the sales is still expected, long-term sales expected on this index, at least to this point. You can see this gap this index formed, which we are expecting price to come fill up in the coming days and hours. So we got price from a lower high formation, the first high here, the second high a lower high, the third high a lower high, right? So the sales still expected, long-term sales expected on this index, regardless of this little retracement. And we have a level of resistance as well at the zone, which price is retesting, right? So on the retest of this level, we have to get price sell to the downside. So that's my trade review and market analysis on this index. More sales expected, and I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out later on. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my Tony viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more. Have a wonderful day.